Hi friends, welcome back to Joe Educare.
In this video, I have explained how to control a lamp from different places. Let's get into the video. So we are going to discuss about two-way control of lamp. So two-way control of lamp is nothing but you are going to control a lamp from two different places. So controlling is nothing but you are going to switch on or switch off the lamp. So you might have controlled one lamp from one places. So to control a lamp, we need a device that is nothing but switch. Switch is a device which is used to control a lamp. So to control a lamp, as I told, to switch on or switch off the lamp, we need a switch. So if you are going to control a lamp from two different places, you need two switches in two different places. So that is what we are going to discuss under this topic. So generally, you might have controlled a lamp from one places by using one switch. So before explaining about this topic, I will explain types of switches used. We have many types of switches. To control a lamp from one place, we are going to use one-way switch. To control a lamp from two different places, we are going to use two-way switch. So in two places, you are going to use two-way switches. So I'll explain the difference between these two switches. As you know, behind the switch, you have two terminals in one-way switch where you use to control a lamp from one places. It may be lamp or fan, anything. So to control a lamp from one places, one-way switch is used. You can see two terminals behind the switch. You know, in a switch you have two conditions. One is on condition and off condition. So I'll explain you. In off condition, so this is the symbol of switch. So in off condition, your switch will be in this way. It will be open. It means current won't flow from one terminal to other terminal. So therefore your lamp will be in off condition. Now when the switch is in on condition, the switch symbol will be in this way. As I told you, will be having two terminals. So this line which is open here it will be closed. So therefore you can just see the line will be a straight line. So you don't have any open circuit here. So therefore in on condition, your current will flow from one terminal to other terminal. So therefore your lamp condition will be in on. Now you can see the difference between one-way switch and two-way switch. In two-way switch you have totally three terminals. So this is the symbol of two-way switch. You can just see three terminals. Now I'll explain. As I told you, will be having two conditions in a switch. One is off condition and on condition. So we will see in off condition, the terminals here, this will be connected to the first terminal. During on condition, middle terminal will be connected to the third terminal. Just see the difference between off condition and on condition. Under off condition, the current which will flow through the switch and it comes out from the switch to the first terminal. In this, when the switch is in on condition, your current will flow and it will come out from the switch from the third terminal. So it means on both the cases, either it may be off condition or on condition, your current will flow from one terminal to other terminal, either from the first terminal or third terminal. It will come out from the switches. But whereas here in one-way switch, in off condition, your current will not flow from one terminal to other terminal, but in on condition, your current will flow. But in two-way switches, in off condition, it will flow through the first terminal. In on condition, it will flow from the third terminal. But anyhow, in two-way switches, the current will flow either from any one of the terminals. So this is the difference between one-way switch and two-way switches. Third type of switch we are going to see is intermediate switch. So intermediate switch is normally used to control a lamp from three different places. So intermediate switch has four terminals. So I'll explain how this switch works. As I told you, have two different conditions in a switch. One is on condition and one more is off condition. Now I'll just name the terminals of these switches: E, F, G and H. When the switch is in on condition, when you switch on this intermediate switch, inside the switch E and F will be connected, G and H will be connected. One more condition is off condition. When the switch is in off condition, E and H will be connected, G and F will be connected inside the switch. So this is about intermediate switch. Here I have drawn a simple circuit diagram or a wiring diagram of one lamp and one switch. By seeing this switch symbol, you can say that this is one-way switch. So one switch is used to control one lamp. So you can just see P is nothing but phase, N is neutral. You have to just remember that phase is always connected to switch, neutral is always connected to lamp. Don't interchange the terminals. This is according to the Indian electricity rules. So now here we will see how this lamp can be controlled. So I have drawn a table, working table. So when the switch is in off condition, what happens to the lamp? When it is in on condition, what happens to the lamp? We'll just explain about this. So when switch is in off condition, you can just see the symbol of switch. This is in off condition, it means it is open. Now you know that always the current will start to flow from the phase terminal. So current will start to flow from the phase terminal. From here it will start to flow till the switch of first terminal. Now since the switch is in open condition, that is off condition, so therefore current won't flow to the second terminal, or it won't flow further, so therefore your lamp will not get any phase or current supply, so lamp will be in off condition. Now when the switch is in on condition means it will be straight. Now again, once again, the current will start to flow, as I told you, always from the phase terminal. It will reach here. When it reaches here, now in on condition it will be a straight closed one, so therefore the current will start to flow from one terminal to second terminal. From here the current will reach to the one of the terminal of your lamp, and other terminal of your lamp is already connected to neutral, so therefore you can just see the circuit is closed circuit. The lamp will glow, so therefore lamp will be in on condition. So this is about controlling a lamp from one place or one way type of control. In the same way, we will discuss how a lamp can be controlled from two different places, but there we are going to use two switches, not one way switch. We are going to use two-way switches.
Bible verse to meditate on.
Check out other videos in my channel regarding Basic Electrical and Diploma Mathematics 1. Please support this channel by subscribing to Joe Educare and click on the bell button to get the notification regarding new videos. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye.